Hey guys, my name is Aftab. In this video, we are learn how to install Magento 2. So guys, Magento needs for LAMP if you're using Windows, Mac or Linux operating system. So right now we are using Ubuntu Linux with LAMP server. If you are user Windows, so you can try XAMPP or WAMP server. If you are user Mac, so you can install LAMP server, right? So guys, we need latest version of Magento 2. So here is latest version is Magento 2.2. So here is need for download community edition right now. After complete in video series, then cover enterprise edition. So click on Magento community edition with sample data. So here is click and download if you are right now I'm logged in. Wait. So guys, if you are users of this, you can try to download directly if you are logged in, right? If you are not logged in, so you can try to logged in, right? So this is download right now. So I have already downloaded in my system. So go to in Astida, right? So this is downloaded. So first one extract here. Okay, extracting files, and this is Magento Community Edition. Version is 2.2. It's an latest version of Magento 2. So this is latest version. Extract few seconds more take. Okay guys, done. So in this folder name we are Magento Magento 2. Okay, so I'm using Ubuntu. So cd var wsgml, right? And give a permission ch on minus r of Magento 2. Done. Okay, we are right now. I'm localhost using PHP version 7.0.18, right? Ubuntu version 0.16.10 and 1, right? And using Apache and MySQL. If you are familiar with Nginx, so you can try to Nginx also, right, guys? So slash Magento 2. Then, guys, this page is not working because I'm not giving the permission where and pub directory, because installation time Magento needs where and pub directory permission, because after installation or installation time Magento render blocks and some static content in pub directory. So we are going to console and the ch mode, give the permission 77 Magento 2 and where directory, right? And pub directory, and also move on Magento and refresh again. Oh, once more time. What is the issue? Okay. And also give the permission ch mode minus r777 generate directory. This is generate directory, guys. This is the Magento 2.2 newly generated Otherwise, in Magento 2.1 point something and 2.1.9 is not granted for permission. But in Magento 2.2, add new feature in Magento 2. Okay, and once again try here. So guys, this is done. An agreement and setup. Click on this and start reindexing check. Magento here check the some uh, things about PHP version. So guys, I'm using 7 point something version. So you can try also Magento. What is needs Magento PHP version required. required. Magento also provide the documents. So needs Magento which things. So guys, here is you see Magento needs guys not supports PHP 7.021, Magento support 7.0.2, not support 7.0.3. So you can follow this. And Magento support 5.6 plus, right? And these are extension needs for Magento. Guys, if you install lamp or XAMPP, so are you install also zip XML, soap, simple XML, open SSL, MS, encrypt. All of things need like curl. You can get something and encrypts for encryption mode, upon SSL for social media, soap for REST API, XML for XML, ZZ for compression, JSON for data. So all of modules need for Magento 2, right? And back to on browser here. And guys, everything is okay, and one is come to this is permission because app etc and env directory we have connection. App etc we have connection file, right? So we are going to chmod -r app etc, right? 777. Guys, refresh once again. An agreement and reindexing. Everything is okay. And next. And guys, localhost for database root and password you can enter, right? And database. So we don't create database. Go to database. Guys, I'm using admin. So if you know about admin, so you can use admin. Or if you familiar with PHP MyAdmin or MySQL friend, you can use every anything you can try. So Magento 2 done, and you can here is Magento 2 and next, and this is everything is okay, and you are using slash admin or anything if you are. So click on next. So store default time right now at GMT UTC. If you try to everything here is lots of available and currency symbol. If you are your store single country, so you can use your country. If you have multiple stores, so you can set in admin area. Same as language, right? So click on next. Here is need for Magento admin. So here username aftab and mail ID is aftabkagent20@gmail.com and password is using alphanumeric with a special character, right? And next, and click on installation. And guys, in console you can see installation module list. So Magento firstly install advanced pricing import and Magento directory, then Magento theme, again Magento backend, and then Magento Backup, then Magento ENV, and then Magento Customer, and Magento Import, Export, and Caching, Admin Notification, Indexer. You can see here is all of module list. Install Magento, right, guys? And you can see is here is admin area. Sorry, MySQL area. Database is also coming. Tables are coming in database. 19119 tables installed. So hardly take max 30 to 40 seconds. Within a minute install in Magento 2. So here is this. So guys, I'm just in between installation time. I'm telling about Magento 2. So I'm prefer the Linux machine if you are a Windows user, because Magento 2 is very fast run on Linux machine rather than Windows machine. Windows is take lots of time. So also if you are deploy Magento code, Magento store, so I prefer using Linux server, whatever AWS and other servers you need, right? And using if you are using Apache, so Apache is minimum 2.2, and if you are going with Nginx, so Nginx also good, right? So this is now running. Okay, guys, max take 30 seconds more, then definitely we are installed Magento 2. And guys, you can see here is Magento catalog rule. There's a separate module, and Magento group, and Magento download, import, export, and schema, and Magento layered navigation and filtering for catalog product, and Magento marketplace, maybe some marketing strategy stored in Magento media storage, and Magento configure product multi shipping, new relic reporting system for server, newsletter, online payments, sales rule, page caching system, Magento captcha, right? Magento persistence card, product alert for product video. This is, guys, you can see here is here separate model for Magento alert. Suppose a Magento product is out of stock, or maybe quantity is not available, or maybe some alert, you can, this is separate module. And video for upload any inside image and video, so this is separate models. Also check agreement, Magento sales report, and Magento use AngularJS, and most of use Magento knockout.js. Magento review and report, and RSS catalog configure authority. So this is many modules using Magento. This is Sander, friend, sitemap, PayPal, searches, guys, searches for search like color and size for click on this and change the image. So that is a separate module in Magento 2. And such as layered navigation, same thing is product detailing system and layered navigation also. And Magento taxes and indexing, Google AdWord, Translate, Google Optimizer, and this is UPS system, sample data, right, guys? This is brain free. This is Magento version, web API, V, Shopee, Facebook. This is done. Yo guys. So now is click on front end. So see, this is completely installed or not. Oh, what is this, man? Ah, don't know about. What is this? I think something is wrong. There is need for some troubleshoot. So going, guys. I think some W etc Apache 2. Guys, modes configure site embedded. Oh, I think this is problem. Oh. So guys, here is some problem with root in htaccess file. So no worries. Now is Magento 2 is running. So you can click here this, and this is Magento 2, and we are click on admin area. So here is enter username and password. This is first time after clear cache and deploy static content. Definitely it will be fast. So this is guys in Magento admin area. So finally we got we are done Magento 2 install. So guys, very much in this video Magento 2 install. If you have any problem in installation time, please mail me on my mail id aftakh20 at gmail.com, or comments me if you have any problem. I revert back on mail, or I comments on your comments, so I solve your problem. So we are done. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget for subscribe, and next video we will learn architect of Magento 2. Thank you guys.